Ever wondered if liquid drain clog remover really works, or is it literally money poured down the drain? Liquid drain clog remover can be a quick and easy fix for minor clogs. Just pour and wait. But here's the scoop. While it's convenient, it can also damage your pipes over time with strong chemicals. And for those stubborn major clogs, it might not cut it. Plus, it's not great for the environment or your health. So what else can you do? Try pouring boiling water down the drain. Or use a mix of baking soda and vinegar. Just remember to do it one at a time. A plumber's snake can physically remove clogs too. And when all else fails, call in the pros. A professional plumber can save the day. So liquid drain clog remover, fix or fail? It depends. Use it wisely, and for big issues, get some expert help. Happy unclogging.